This is the ongoing construction here at Barangay Catmon, Santa Maria, Bulacan, North Grove Hills project. This is by Dolmar Land. More than 50 years in the real estate industry. As you can see, guys, we are already building a lot of units here. Basically, the process here is buy and build. So for those who have already paid their down payment in full and the blocks were ready, pinaprocess na po ni developer yung kanilang pagpili ng contractor for their unit and also their building permit. And if everything is okay na, they will start building the unit, and that would take about 5 to 8 months depending on the model. All right, so as you can see, guys, we have 3 model units to choose from here. Stay tuned to the video that I'm doing so that you can have revisit to our model unit and have an update to this 1.4 hectare na tree park. So ngayon, guys, nandito na tayo sa tree park na area. Paglagpas po ng tree park, dito na banda, guys, yung mga blocks kung saan yan, you can see, diba, North Grove Tree Park. So after the North Grove Tree Park, nandito na yung mga block 30, 31, 32, you know. So for those who are asking for some updates for those blocks, ayan na po siya. For those blocks, meron na ring mga few units na they are already starting na, yan. And here we're going back so we can check the model unit again kasi nagkakaroon tayo ng repainting. Pero nakita nyo naman in terms of land development, tapos na po siya. This is a 13.5 hectare project and a very good location. Stay tuned for the sample computation as well and for you to have an idea of the most recent update 2024 for North Grove Hills, Barangay Catmon, Santa Maria, Bulacan. See? Dito, guys, kala mo kahit mainit, mahangin. Yes. So you can see later, guys, na ito yung maganda pa rin yung klima, yung weather despite of the matirik na araw. The guys, tinan mo, hindi ko na mabilang kung ilan na pong units ang inumpisahan na at patuloy na ginagawa dito sa North Grove Hills. Kaya kung ikaw ay hindi pa nakaka-avail dito, you just have to reach out to me as soon as possible kasi, guys, believe it or not, we only have few units left. This is one of the most in-demand project in the area of Bulacan. Fast selling, actually awarded by Carousel this last 2023. So here, guys, is the ongoing construction and most recent update for our project. All right. New Year, this is Nicole, your go-to Bulacan Realtor. So I'm giving you the most recent update 2024 for the ongoing construction of North Grove Hills, Barangay Catmon, Santa Maria, Bulacan. At ngayon, guys, nagkakaroon tayo ng repainting sa ating mga model units, kaya may mga nag-repaint dyan. Tapos pinakita ko naman sa inyo, guys, na ito nyo sa bawat blocks, ang dami ng mga itinatayong units. Kaya malapit-lapit na yan. Habang naghihintay kami ng client, mag-ano ulit tayo, let's revisit the model unit. Ito si Oakwood Bungalow. Alam nyo, guys, kung subscriber ka ng channel ko, alam mo na marami akong videos and updates dito sa North Grove Hills. Ito yung isa sa pinakamabenta nating model. Ito si Oakwood Bungalow. Pag sinabing bungalow, walang second floor. Baba lang, okay? Mabenta to sa mga may senior o kaya small family. Mga OFW or locally employed or freelancers man yan. Di ba, guys? Kasi ito ay nasa 40 square meter yung kanyang floor area, ang lote niya 80. May garahe ka, may garden ka. Diba? Yun naman yung mahalaga. At least yung minimum lot mo, makakahinga ka kasi maluwag. Itong floor area, gawin mo minimalist. Diba? Dito yung iyong living area, living space. Dito yung iyong dining space. Tapos yung kitchen mo, itong
Ito yung magiging kitchen area mo. Lagay mo dito yung fridge mo. And then, ito yung toilet and bath. So, Oakwood Bungalow, 1 toilet and bath and 2 bedrooms. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 1, kung mag-asawa kayo, tapos may dalawa kayong anak, pwedeng-pwede na si Oakwood Bungalow. Diba? Double deck. For as low as 10,000 reservation and 11,000 plus monthly down payment, promo lang po yan. At ito ang yung magiging master's bedroom. So, sa parents, sa mag-asawa, ito yung magiging double bedroom niya. Tapos, ito siya, yung closet, kasya pa. Tapos, may space pa dito. So, it's actually not bad. So, ganyan yung view niya dito. Di ba, guys? Maganda yung minimalistic lang yung bahay mo, madaling linisin. Kaya mabenta si Oakwood Bungalow, guys. At meron kang access door sa iyong garage. Ito siya. Nakalock lang siya dito. Papakita ko kasi merong nagre-repaint tayo ng model unit ngayon. So, may mga gumagawa. Dito lang tayo sa gilid. Ayan. Dito lang sa labas. Yung ganitong view lang muna, guys, ha? Ayan. Kasi may nagre-repaint tayo, eh. So, ito nga si Oakwood. Meron pa tayong redwood and aspen. Oh, si redwood, lahat may gate entrance kasi model unit yan, ha? Pero hindi yan kasama sa turnover, syempre. Bahay at lupa yung turnover natin. So, ito, lot area, 80 din. Ang floor, 67. Pag nag-redwood ka, ayan, di ba? Garden space, 2-story single attached. Pagpasok mo kay redwood, ayan. Living space, living area, dining space, dalawa yung CR. So, may CR ka dito. Mas malaki-laki yung kitchen area natin kay Redwood model, guys. May access door to the service area. Yan. So, si Redwood, yung space na to, di ba may garahe ka? Yung garahe mo, itong space na to, pwede mo gawing garden space o kaya naman kung gusto mo magpa-expand ng 1 bedroom sa baba. Why not? Di ba? Kung may elderly. Sa second floor, ang 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath. Ulit, sa second floor. Ganito yung magiging turnover ng second floor tiles. This is going to be your master's bedroom kay Redwood. Malaki, di ba? Perfect. Ito yung second toilet and bath ni Redwood. Ito naman, bedroom number 2. Kung dalawa yung anak mo, pwede ka magpagawa na, ay pwedeng double deck yung gamitin mo. Maluwag pa siya, may closet na, may study area pa. Guys, very affordable lang din to. Ang starting total contract price ay 4.1 million plus 10,000 reservation as low as 17,000 month. For the down payment, promo lang po yung 10% DP bank financing. Pwede kang magpag-ibig 20% DP. Just contact me para sa copy ng sample computation. Si Aspen model naman yung pasok na pinakamalaki siya. So, nagre-repaint tayo, guys. Black paint. Garden space for Aspen. Si Aspen, ang floor area niya malaki, 63. Di pa lang galing tayo kay Redwood. Napansin mo kaagad yung ano niya, no? Yung lawak ng space niya sa baba. Diba, guys? Ayan. Kasi nga, 63 na yung floor area natin dito kay Aspen model. Tapos, 6-seater na yung dining table natin dito. Siyempre, 2 toilet and bath pa rin. Ayan yung CR ni Aspen. Very spacious pa rin ang ating kitchen area for Aspen model at access door to your laundry or service area. Ayan po siya. Ayan yung si laundry area, service area. Ayan. Itong space na to guys, pwede mong gawing another garden kasi may garahe ka na doon, may extra space ka pa, or bedroom sa baba. Nakadepende yan sa'yo guys. Let's go upstairs for the 2 bedrooms of Aspen. Itong bedroom na to ni Aspen, malaki yung cut niya. Kung napapansin nyo guys, ang windows niya, 1, 2, 3. Tatlo yung windows. So yung iba, ayan no, kung big family ka, pwede kang mag double deck o kaya pwede ka pang mag-partition dito kung gusto mong gawing 3 bedrooms. Diba? Depende sa'yo. Toilet and bath number 2 ni Aspen. Ganito po siya. Yan. Tama na yung size niya. And syempre, ang ganda ng master's bedroom ni Aspen. Guys, so, double or queen size, pwedeng-pwede. Ang ganda po ng pagkakadesign. Dalawa yung ating windows for the master's bedroom ni Aspen. Put your closet here, and stuff here. Yan, ganito po kalaki ang ating Aspen model. Did you know guys that Aspen model starting total contract price is only 4.3 million plus 10,000 reservation, and of course our 20% our promo 10% down payment is acceptable, kaya yung monthly DP mo nag-start lang sa ganyan, 'di ba? At bank or Pag-ibig financing rin po dito. It's a pre-selling project. So, you have Oakwood, Redwood, and Aspen. Ano ang mas gusto mo? At ano yung mas pasok sa income mo? Yun yung dapat na tinatanong mo, di ba guys? North Grove Hills, Barangay Catmon, Santa Maria, Bulacan is a non-flooded area. The good thing about our location, it's like about 30 minutes drive to the North Luzon Expressway, Philippine Arena or Bocaue exit. Accessible to SM Tungco, Star Mall, San Jose, and malapit sa Walter Mart, and also the future MRT 7 San Jose. Kasi boundary siya. Barangay Catmon lang siya guys. So, meaning to say, 25 minutes drive to Star Mall, San Jose. Katabi niya lang po yung San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. And, of course, this is a very exclusive project. 24/7 security. Ito yung mga amenities natin, guys. May swimming pool, may playground, may unique 1.4 hectare na tree park. Yung nakita nyo kanina, diba? And, meron din tayong function hall and covered court. So, yun yung maganda sa ating project. And most of all, malaki siya, maganda siya, okay yung location niya, pero very affordable. Wala ka na pong makikitang project na nasa ganitong price range ngayon sa Bulacan. Dahil, in the future, magkakaroon din tayo ng Bulacan International Airport. You want to be less than an hour drive to that airport, di ba? If you live here. That's the most important thing and one of the advantage of our project, okay? We don't accept walk-ins. If you want a tripping here, contact me directly. But before you do a tripping, kailangan chat nyo ako sa Viber or WhatsApp para makita nyo yung complete sample computation para alam mo kung ano yung pasok sa budget mo, di ba guys? So, my Viber WhatsApp, 0917-114-2422. And I have a website, that's my name, www.nicoleshane.com. Alright? Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel para lagi kayong updated sa mga bagong videos ko. And again guys, Happy New Year! And if you want to know more about the incentives and promo that I provide, just reach out to me directly. Thank you everyone!